Today I'm going to be going through the experience of creating a handle for a hammer and the problems that I had and what I did to overcome it. The first thing that I needed to do was actually construct the handle itself. Please don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in regards to how I do certain things, and hopefully you can go ahead and do them too. So the first thing I had to do was actually put a scrap bit of wood that I picked up. It was just off the back of a pallet and was used as packing material. I didn't know the hardness of it, and I just had to use the drill lathe to actually carve out the side of the hammer so that it had a nice grip to it. I kept the flat areas pretty flat because I wanted to be able to hold and grip it. Also, you will notice that it's actually quite a long piece of wood, and I've actually kept the length of the hammer fairly long and extended, and you'll just see that coming up. And the reason for that was I wanted a lot more leverage in regards to pulling out nails, diving in a little bit deeper, and also hoping that I'd get more of a hitting action and lever action when actually trying to strike a nail. Now, this actually caused me a bit of a problem because it was so extended and I tried to pull out some very, very tough nails. The actual head of the handle actually broke off, which led me into a bit of an issue. Now, I put all that work into producing the handle. So all I did was just cut it down. I carved out the head element of the actual handle so I could just whack it in place across the top of the head of the hammer. And then I didn't want to use any wedges because I didn't want to split the wood. That did actually happen to me previously. I just used some screws and that kept it in place. Now, I'm not going to be using this as a crowbar, but I am going to still use it as a hammer. And in my next video I'm going to try to use something a little bit harder. Something harder so that it doesn't actually break. Please don't forget to check out any of my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe.